Welcome back to Mrs. English Studio, the place where your English gets better, smarter, and more natural every single day. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Sam. Today we are talking about something every learner wants to know: how to learn English faster and better, without stress.
Exactly. These are smart, science-based, real-life tips you can start using today. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Input before output.
Yes, many learners want to speak immediately, but the brain needs to hear and see English before it can produce it.
Think of babies. They listen for months before they say a single word.
Right. If you listen to English every day, podcasts, YouTube, audiobooks, your speaking will become smoother without
Forcing it. This is what I call soak your brain in English.
Just let your brain absorb it naturally. Tip number 2 is my favorite.
Micro-learning, small, short, focused study sessions.
Exactly. Not 2 hours once a week, but 10 minutes 3 to 5 times a
day. You can learn vocabulary while waiting for a bus, listening to a podcast while cooking,
or reviewing phrases before bed. Small steps add up, or as we say in English, little by little.
A little becomes a lot. Tip 3. Stop memorizing words alone. Learn phrases. Yes.
Words are lonely. Phrases are alive. For example,
Instead of learning the word challenge, learn, "This is a bit of a challenge for me. I'm up for the challenge."
when you learn phrases, you learn grammar plus context plus pronunciation all together, and the best part?
It makes speaking easier because your brain remembers ready-made chunks. Tip 4 is powerful. Shadowing. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating at the same
time. It improves pronunciation, speed, rhythm, and confidence.
You can shadow podcasts, movies, or any native speaker, even for 5 minutes a day.
The results are huge. This one is big. Stop translating in your head.
When you translate every sentence, your brain gets tired. Instead,
Connect English words to ideas, not your native language.
for example, don't think apple equals your language word. Just picture an apple. This helps you.
Think in English, one of the biggest keys to fluency. So,
These were our smart English learning tips, the same methods used by top language learners around the world. If
you start using even 2 or 3 of these, your English will improve faster than you think. Thank you for listening.
And don't forget, you're learning, growing, and becoming more confident every day. This is Jessica and Sam from Mrs.
English channel. See you in the next episode.